It's so nice to have you here today with me, and I'm so happy to have you. My name is Victor Otasowie. I'm the founder of Future Setters Institute, and we've been training a lot of young minds via our personal growth challenge, via our professional growth challenge, and also via a lot of great things we've been doing, our youth development shows and all that. Now, our youth development shows have been running for over 36 weeks now, and it has been focused on bringing a lot of international persons from all over the world to share their experiences and share their great stories with you. Now we are working on something very great, and this is called Future Setters Institute Education Project. Now, what does this education project? What was it all about? How does it work? And how can you come into this project? Now, this Future Setters Education Project has been or is a project that came out of a dear need of quality education. So a lot of young persons are struggling out there. They're looking for the right place to go to build themselves, not just online, but physically in Nigeria, in a state called Edo State. Now, there's a particular area in Edo State which is called Ekiuwa. Students go so far to get quality education. So they want to learn, they want to improve. They are hungry to improve themselves. They are eager to learn new things, but they don't have the right place to go. They don't have a place they can get the best. They don't have the place they can also learn their skills, learn new skills, and also improve on what they know. So they want to print, they go so far to print. They want to learn how to design graphics, they go so far. They want to learn how to operate their computer. Now, exams are now online. How can they go about this? How can they prepare themselves for this? They want to learn digital skills. They want to learn how to code or do certain things. They don't really have access to such. And the one that actually worries us the most is the aspect of science. Because how do we get doctors? How do we get nurses? How do we get engineers without a basic knowledge of science? How can they do this if they don't have background knowledge in the aspect of science? Now, this got us thinking, and this got us realizing that we could actually come in to solve this problem by bringing or establishing a place, a school, where young minds can actually come together, where they can actually come together, improve, grow, and also be connected to opportunities. And that is the reason why we decided to set up this project. Now, how does this project work? We did a lot of survey, and we observed that yes, it's possible to do this. We have been having regular trainings, classes with people around the environment, and the need is intense. The need is intense. And how about we set up something together? For you watching me today, I see so much potential in you, and I feel that your value, the greatness, the support, and everything you have in you can actually help us to take this project to the next level. So, how do we go about it? All we need is you to show your interest, to reach out to us that, yes, I want to be part of this particular project. I want to be part of this project of building an environment where there is sustainable education, there is quality education, that every young person out there can build themselves. They can also compete in the global world. Now, even you from over there, any country whatsoever, you can teach that thing you know how to do very well online from over there, and it will be visible to the young persons over here in Nigeria. Now, this means that you don't need to travel from there. Yeah, you can do it from over there, and we will feel your impact over here. Another thing is when you support us, your business logo, your company and everything will be visualized in whatsoever thing you use to support us. If it is chairs, if it is tables, if it is computers, if it is anything you use to support us, your program, your support, everything will be displayed in the venue of our program at our school. Now, this is what we are working on, and we need every support from every angle to make this particular project a success. And one cool thing is that we have created a GoFundMe campaign. a GoFundMe campaign which can help us to make this project a success, which I've displayed in the comment section. The GoFundMe campaign is there. You can support us with whatsoever amount you can use. You can freely give to help us actualize this particular project. Now, this project is going to be focused on training young persons in the aspect of science, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and English. That is one of the core things we are working on, so that we can also build these persons for professional courses such as engineering, medicine, nursing, and all these science related courses can help them architecture and all of you a lot of great things like that. Can also train them in the aspect of languages, English, French, and German. These are things that we are working on: English, French, and German. And also on digital skills like coding, networking, and so many other great skills like virtual assistance and graphic designing, and a lot of great skills can also be taught via this project. And it's going to take place in Ekiuwa, main city, Edo State. Now, I'll tell you for sure that when you when you partner with us in this project, there will be a long-term relationship. There will be a huge way that we use to show you the way we value you, we value you so much that even the little penny, the little amount of money you drop to support this project, you will be there will be a very massive shout out given to you on a regular basis. The people that will come to learn via our platform, you also have access to them so that you can also involve yourself. If it is mentorship, if there is any way you can reach out to them to lecture them or anything whatsoever, we will give you access to these persons who are very much eager to improve themselves. This to tell you that whatsoever amount of money, whatsoever thing you use to support us to ensure that this project is successful, we will deeply appreciate it. And we believe that every support you have to make this project possible is deeply appreciated. So feel free to recommend us to your friends. Feel free to recommend us to whatsoever organizations, to your colleagues, anyone around that can support us to make this project a success. We believe that with you in our team, that with your ideas, with your collaboration, with every great thing, with your value, with your support and everything, we can make this project a success. Now, like I said, the GoFundMe link is there in the comment section. Feel free to support us with whatsoever amount. Now, the main thing is we're not trying to say we want to build a structure. We're not saying we're going to build a structure at that moment. Our focus is on renovation. We're going to renovate the structure and also put it in order, and also start from what we have and start building on what we have. There's going to be massive publicity, there's going to be massive shout out, there's going to be a lot of great things. And we believe that with you in our team, we can achieve success. We believe that you play a huge role in this particular project. And I'm here to tell you that whatsoever is to support us with, you will definitely see a huge return in the long run, because you'll be so proud that you were part of this project in a developing country like Nigeria. So we would love you to support us in any way possible. You can support us via the GoFundMe link there, and your support is deeply appreciated. Once more, we look forward to you partnering with us in this great project, which is our Future Setters Institute School Project. Let's do this together. Let's make impact together. Let's make this project a success. Let's share ideas together. Let's, if there is anything whatsoever, if there are some recommendations, there are some great things, there are some great ideas you also have for us to make this possible, the aspect of training people in the aspect of mathematics, training people in the aspect of physics, training people in the aspect of chemistry, training people in the aspect of biology and English, how to speak well and do a lot of great things and write international exams. We can do this together. We also have plans to get a lot of computers and also train people on digital skills, and also a lot of great things as well, to having mentorship sessions, career mentorship, and so many other great things. How about you support us to make this project a success? once more, I do sincerely appreciate you for being with me on this project. And also, I love you to support us. Support us in this GoFundMe link. Shall we also share again? You can support us in using the GoFundMe link we have in the comment section. And also do well to share this with your friends. Let's make this project a success. Thank you so much for being with me on this live. And also, our youth development show for this Sunday is going to be by 5 p.m. West African time. And it's going to be on how to build a healthy attitude in the workplace. Do well to be with us.